Hey folks, today is Wednesday, August 21st, 7:37 a.m. My name is James, and let's go over what's been going on in the market here. The Russell and the Dow are kind of looking the same. You can see the Russell here. I have kind of this descending channel happening. On the Dow, it looks kind of the same thing. Those are the only lines that I can see that actually work right now. It could change as they've been changing as I've been watching it. So that's kind of what it looks like right now. The S&P almost looks like a rising, an ascending triangle right here. There's a bit of a definite resistance point here, which aligns all the way back here to this point and back further to this high area up here. So there's definitely resistance right there, right above where we're sitting. So, and then we're kind of getting higher lows as well. So that might mean that we're basing to try to move higher, which would be good. The NASDAQ is doing kind of the same thing. You can see the same kind of thing. I drew a small line there because that kind of looks like where there is a bit of resistance, and then this is all the way back to here, and it seems to be following that ascending line. So it seems like the market might be basing, and we might actually try to go higher here soon. The futures for today are green, which is good, especially after yesterday. So hopefully that's what's happening. We're getting some support, a nice base, and then we'll try to pop higher as long as we don't get any new negative China news, tariff news, or any of that stuff, random tweets that just wreck everything. So let's zip through the list here. NASDAQ, NVDA. I bought this about halfway up this bar. I bought it on the 5-minute when it jumped up and made a little bull flag, and I took it. There was so much volume in that move that I felt like that was a good move that I could try. Yesterday it just kind of backed off. Today it's gapping up. Hopefully we get a good day and NVIDIA continues to climb higher after a bit of a rest yesterday. OLED still in the ascending triangle. PODD, I just found this one. That's got a nice little ascending triangle wedge kind of shape forming. And that would be over the high of 155.52. PAYC already popped out, but it's like right there, and volume wasn't that great yesterday. I'm kind of waiting to see if that volume comes in. I don't think I'll be trading this. I'm really looking. I'm in NVIDIA now, and I'm really looking at OLED. And I'm really thinking about this PODD. I just found that yesterday. That really looks like a potential aggressive move coming. So those are the ones I'm really focusing on. VEEV, still in that kind of triangle pattern. NFLX, so just adjusted the lines as it goes down, still in the falling wedge. MDB, still in this kind of descending channel. Lulu, ascending triangle. ILMN, still in this kind of falling wedge, descending channel kind of pattern. Those are bullish patterns. So if it breaks that upper line, that's going to be a buy on something like ILMN. INSEE, big ascending triangle. SRE, I still think this guy could get potentially really aggressive upside. I don't know why, just the fact that it's hanging up there so high and there's a really clear line there that's holding it down. If it crosses that, I really think there's going to be some real upside coming on that stock if it can cross over and if the volume shows up. Trade does bounce off the lower line, so that's actually good. I think it needs a lot more time. It needs to come all the way back up and challenge this line again, and maybe even come back down again and then up again. But we're just keeping an eye on that because it seems like it is forming something. Tandem still below the upper line there. Jazz on the ascending triangle. JEC is still within its pattern, and SLP it's found a way to get even tighter. It actually dipped. I had the line a little higher. It dipped below and then just kind of dojied. But yeah, look at the minimal amount of space within that pattern that it has. That thing's going to move at some point. So that's it. I'll see you in the next one.